to the voice of the school. Vocational High School Hristo Botev proudly announces the students who have qualified for the regional rounds of the National Olympiads. At the regional round of the Bulgarian Language and Literature Olympiad, our school will be represented by Darina Zhilyaskova, Dimitar Pachov, Ioana Nikolaeva, Vesela Kolarova, Neda Slavova and Ralica Hristova. In the field of science, Nikolai Mandiev, Dimitar Dimitrov and Ivailo Dimitrov will represent our school at the Astronomy Olympiad, while Dimitar Pachov has also qualified for the regional round of the Biology and Health Education Olympiad. Nikolai Sabev will represent our school at the regional round of the Geography and Economics Olympiad, demonstrating strong knowledge and analytical skills. Great success was also achieved in the humanities, where Dimitar Pachov, Neda Slavova, Maria Veselinova, Diana Atanasova, Veselina Dacheva and Plamena Balgieva reached the regional round of the History and Civilizations Olympiad thanks to their excellent preparation and passion for history. Finally, Ralica Hristova and Vesela Kolarova have qualified for the regional round of the English Language Olympiad, once again proving the high level of language training at our school. We wish all participants success regional competitions.